Easy Tagalog conversation phrases. Magsisimula na ako. I am going to start. Huwag kang matakot. Don't be afraid. Huwag kang maingay. Please be quiet. Nandito ka pa rin. You are still here. Nagmamadali kami. We are in a hurry. Hindi ko sasabihin. I will never tell. Hindi masyadong malayo. It's not so far. Anong mayroon ka? What do you have? Madali lang ito para sa akin. This is easy for me. Madalas akong kumain sa labas. I usually eat out. Heto ang tubig. Here's some water. Huwag magsinungaling. Don't tell lies. Anong sinabi niya? What did he say? Mayroon siyang sariling sasakyan. He has his own car. Saan mo siya nakita? Where did you see him? Saan tayo kakain? Where are we going to eat? Narinig mo ba iyon? Did you hear that? Mukhang pagod na pagod ka na. Tingnan ko nga. Let me see. Gusto kong magmaneho. I want to drive. Sabihin mo ang totoo. Tell the truth. Sumama ba siya sa kanya? Did she come with him? Isali mo ako. Count me in. Pumunta siya para makita ako. He came just to see me. Magaling ka ba magmaneho? Are you good at driving? Alin ang sa akin? Which is mine? Anong ibig mong sabihin? What do you mean? Masaya akong makita ka. I'm glad to see you. Ikaw at ako ay may pagkakapareho. You and I have something in common. Siguradong sigurado ako. I am pretty sure. Nakita ko siyang tumalon. I saw him jump. Tumawag ako ng tulong. I called for help. Nababaliw ka na ba? Are you out of your mind? Hindi ako makapaniwala. I can't believe it. May sasabihin ako sa'yo. I want to tell you something. Hindi kita kilala. I don't know you. Kaninong kwarto ito? Whose room is this? Huwag kang huminto dito. Don't stop here. Mautak na bata. Smart kid. Kahit anong oras maliban sa Lunes. Any day will do except Monday. Sobrang gutom na ako. I am terribly hungry. Huwag magsisinungaling. Never tell a lie. Madalas mo ba siyang makita? Do you see him often? Dahan-dahan lang. Take it easy. Punta ka sa bahay ngayong hapon. Come to my house this afternoon. Umulan ng malakas buong araw. It rained hard all day. Gusto mo bang umupo? Do you want to sit down? Marami siyang kakilala. He knows a lot of people. Saan tayo dapat pumunta? Where should we go? Tama ka talaga. You are absolutely right. Anong itsura niya? What is he look like? Gagaling ka agad. He'll get well soon. Wala itong kwenta. This makes no sense. Bakit galit na galit ka sa kanya? Why are you so angry with him? Pumili ka dito sa dalawa. Choose between these two. May narinig akong tumatawag sa pangalan ko. I heard someone calling my name. Pwede kang umupo dito. You can sit here. Lubayan mo ako, pwede? Leave me alone, please. Hindi dapat ito nandito. It shouldn't be here. Dalhin mo ako doon. Take me there. Tumigil ka na sa kakaiyak. Stop crying. Ikinalulungkot kong marinig yan. I'm sorry to hear that. Gusto mo ba ng tulong? You want some help? Paano mo iyan babayaran? How will you pay for it? Pasensya na, hindi ko kaya. I'm sorry, I can't. Kailangan niya ng tulong. He needs some help. Hindi ito nangyayari. This is not happening. Hindi na dapat kita sinabihan pa. I shouldn't have told you. Salamat pa rin. Thanks anyway.